Hey, it's Jose here, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a payment gateway to your Shopify store so that you can take credit card payments on your Shopify store. It sounds daunting, but it's super easy. You won't believe how easy this is. I've been setting up online stores for many years across different platforms, and the way that Shopify integrate their payment gateways is an absolute breeze. You wouldn't believe how complex this can be on other platforms. So the good news is that you don't need any technical knowledge to do this. Okay, so let's get to it. This is my demo store, my demo Shopify store. So what you're going to do on your store is you're going to go to the settings cogwheel, which is at the very bottom left of your screen. And once you click on that, you'll see the settings page, which is this. Here, all you do is you click on the payments option, and this will load the payments page. Now here, the top box says accept credit cards, and you have a button that says add a provider. So let's click the button. Now, if you have a payment gateway solution already, then this is the box that you need. And there are a few providers, and I can't cover them all on one video, unfortunately. So if you do have one of these, you'll have to click on the relevant one, and that's going to give you the right setup instructions. Just keep in mind, of course, that the setup instructions are going to vary from provider to provider because Shopify has to find a way to work with those providers, and every provider is different. Okay, so if you don't have a third-party payment gateway already, then this is great, because what I actually recommend is that you use Shopify Payments for the simple reason that it's already integrated into the system, which to you and me, that means that we just click buttons and we're good to go. So this is the option that I'm going to choose, and in the very bottom right-hand corner, you'll see the continue button. I'm going to click on continue. And that has now loaded this page. Here you can see that the next option is to complete the account setup. Now, I'm obviously not going to click that button as much as you'd like me to because this is a test store. So let's not confuse the system. But now you know the process. You go to the settings page, you go to the payments page, then you click on the accept credit card payments. You choose Shopify, and that gets you to the screen where you complete the account setup. Just keep in mind that this is a payment gateway setup, so obviously there's going to be some information that you need to provide, such as ID and so on, because the payment gateway will then have to process payments for you. So it's no different to going to a bank and opening an account. You know, they need some ID. They need to know who you are. But it's super simple. You just follow these steps, you click on that button, and you're done. As soon as they accept your application, which I think typically takes around 24 hours, which is very, very quick. And let me just point out that with all the Shopify stores that I've set up, I've never seen Shopify Payments turn anyone away because they use a payment provider that has a very low threshold of entry, which means that you should be up and running very quickly. You'll be able to take card payments on your Shopify store before you can say ooh. And on that note, I would also enable PayPal because I think that it's worth testing. Some people prefer to just pay via PayPal. That's just how it is. So by not providing that option, you could potentially be leaving money on the table. And the only way you're going to find out really is by testing it. So I would enable PayPal payments and also credit card payments, and then over time you'll get a good idea of how your customers like to pay you. I'll put a link in the description below this video to the PayPal payments setup video, and that's also a super easy process. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel, and that way you can keep up to date with all these video tips. So for now, take it easy, and I shall catch you in the next video.